I'm just kidding. I didn't even slow it down. I was just pretending to do slow motion. But if you love slow motion, you've come to the right place. It's going to be great. In fact, I love myself some super slow motion. I was thinking a little while ago, wouldn't it be epic to get a water balloon, fill it with water, and see the detail of this water just go burst it in a variety of creative ways and film it on super slow motion. So I'm using the GoPro Hero Black 9. I use the GoPro Black Hero 9. Is that right? Hero 9 Black GoPro. The GoPro Black 9 Hero. GoPro 9 Black Hero. Hero GoPro Black 9. The latest Hero. I use that camera. The latest GoPro camera, which is the 9, the Hero Black, to film it. We're going to shoot it in linear crop, which brings it all in, just goes. So you don't get the wide, you get the nice and tight. I'm going to shoot it at 240 frames a second, and I'm going to blow your minds because some of you are going to be horrified about this. When you shoot at 240 frames, you should slow it down to 10% of the speed. That's about as slow as you can possibly go to have the footage still look cinematic. I'm going lower. I know, right? Some of you are freaking out of your mind and raging. You're like, I'm gonna hit that thumbs down button. I'll show him. Leave a nasty comment. We'll get him right. Nope, can't stop me. I'm going for it. So I'm gonna slow it down to at times 5% of its speed, and at other times, 3%. And right at the end, we're gonna do a classic shot by shot, so you can really see the action unfold. Because some of the things I've done are pretty cool. And I'd love you to share it. So this channel is all about experimenting and being creative with video and photography. And if you like it, if you dig this video, if you're liking the vibe, if you like me, come hang out more often and subscribe. That'd be amazing. You can even throw us a thumbs up. So how about we just jump into it, yeah? Just not working. Gosh. Oh, it's so good.